Hi, I am Pragmatic, the kangaroo. We will now see a simple recipe for the 26th week of pregnancy in this video. In the 26th week, it is important to take foods that are rich in vitamin D. Mushrooms are a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamins B like riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid, and vitamin D like selenium and potassium. Mushrooms, exposed to UV light, are a natural source of vitamin D, which is essential for calcium absorption and bone health. Garlic mushroom. Ingredients: mushroom, 200 grams, unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon, chopped onion, 4 teaspoons, chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon, black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon, salt to taste, coriander leaves for garnish. Garlic mushroom. For the 26th week, let us see how to make this. First, heat butter in a pan, add garlic and onion, saute until softened, add mushrooms, cook for 4 to 5 minutes until golden and crispy. Now, add salt and black pepper powder, stir well, garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Enjoy. Garlic mushroom can be a tasty and nutritious addition to a pregnancy diet. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that may improve iron absorption, which is important during pregnancy to prevent iron deficiency anemia. Both garlic and mushrooms contain antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress, which can be elevated during pregnancy. And then, hope you liked the 26th week pregnancy recipe video from Pragmatic. Pragmatic, nurturing pregnancy and beyond.